Morning from RV World. My name is Tony Balderrama, and I wanted to show you this 2023 EVO 2610. What I love about this, it has a lot of features on it. Let me go over those features with you. Dual tank, power hitch. Keep in mind, these are powder coated frames. People are always looking for storage. Plenty of pass-through storage. These have fiberglass aluminum walls, framed walls. Of course, you gotta have the awning, you gotta have the shade. LED strip right there. Griddle. Put your meats right in the fridge. If that wasn't enough, you can put your grill right there as well. Right through the tanks. You got backing here, so if you want to put a TV, your hookups for your TV, speakers. You also have a water port, so you can spray down. Want to go cold country? This has the Arctic package with heated and enclosed underbellies. Dual tandem axle, weighs 7,400 pounds. Big handle, Lippert power jacks. Tony, is there any more storage? Of course there is. So this is a fully walkable roof. So it's got the Lippert ready to put that extension ladder on there. You got a camera ready outlet there. Tinted windows from the factory. Rack and pinion slides. A little more storage there. Water connection, city water. Black tank flush. You got an exterior shower. All the connections here are really easy to operate. Water heater. You have solar on the side, so if you want to put a solar panel, it's already ready for that. And get this, it's a 2023 model, so you get 4.9% financing up to 15 years. Don't miss out on that. See you here.